Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Finovate. If you're new here, please ring the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. In this video, I'm going to explain a case study on Zomato. On 14th of July 2021, Zomato officially gone public with 9,000 crore about to be raised. This is by far one of the biggest and perhaps the most awaited IPO of 2021. But as for the numbers of the company are concerned, Zomato seems to be in deep trouble. From 2018 to 2020, while the revenue of the company went from just $65 million to $368 million. During the same time, the losses exploded by 20 times, from just $15 million to more than $300 million. And every time Zomato tried to become profitable, it has led to nothing but outrage. They first tried to launch Zomato Gold to lock in the customers from going to Swiggy, but that led to massive losses to restaurants, which forced them to shut the services down. Then they tried increasing the prices of their dishes, but that ended up making the customers unhappy. So from the outside, it almost looks like the company is stuck in a vicious cycle of cash drain, which is leading to nothing but more and more losses. But you know what? There is one very important factor that very few people are taking into consideration, and this factor could turn Zomato into a gold mine. And if you only understand this factor, you can go on to make the most strategic investment into food tech space in the next 5 years. The question is, what exactly is this X factor and how can Zomato or Swiggy turn into a gold mine investment? In this case, Zomato has all the data about thousands of restaurants and millions of consumers who have used Zomato to order food. Zomato knows exactly which dishes are in high demand in which area. And on top of that, Zomato also knows what is the optimum price for a particular dish. In fact, they even know what is the best time to sell a particular dish. For example, Zomato knows that in Hinjewadi, Pune, biryani priced at ₹150 will go on to become bestseller, and the best season for biryani is from November to December. So this way Zomato and Swiggy are particularly sitting on a data gold mine. So they can use it very easily to launch their own food chain. Fun fact, both Zomato and Swiggy have already ventured into it using something called the concept of cloud kitchen. And there are two Zomato services that very few people are talking about. And those are Zomato Kitchen and Zomato Hyperpure. To understand the depth of this, you first need to understand what is Cloud Kitchen. In simple words, Cloud Kitchen is nothing but a super efficient restaurant which only gives out takeaway orders and has no dining space. It is basically just the kitchen of the restaurant that takes online orders and gives it out the delivery. A simple example of the same is Behruz Biryani. It is got no outlets but has got a fantastic digital presence. And this concept of Cloud Kitchen, ladies and gentlemen, is a revolution in the making. Why? Because it has got some game-changing cost benefits over a conventional restaurant. In this case, it is the rise of the next generation food tech startups. Zomato and Swiggy are the beginning of this revolution in India. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family.